Ever wonder how your body keeps that perfect balance? Let's dive into the world of mineralocorticoids and discover their secret sauce for blood pressure. When your blood pressure dips, your body hits the alarm button. Enter the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, your hormonal superhero. Aldosterone is the star here. It rushes from your adrenal cortex to kidneys, ready to work its magic in maintaining balance. Think of aldosterone as your personal coach, telling your kidneys, time to absorb more sodium and keep that blood pressure soaring. As sodium enters the bloodstream, water follows like a shadow, thanks to osmosis. It's a duo that never wants to separate. Together, sodium and water pump up your blood volume. More fluid means higher blood pressure. It's a balancing act. Your body is like a finely tuned orchestra, balancing hydration. Too little water? Low pressure. Too much? Watch out for high pressure. Mineralocorticoids ensure your cells are always in a happy place, thriving with just the right amount of fluid. Talk about teamwork. Like a bustling city, your organs need steady circulation to function smoothly. Mineralocorticoids make sure everything runs on time. Ever felt faint after a wild ride? Low blood pressure can do that. Thankfully, mineralocorticoids keep things steady for you. But what happens when there's too much fluid? Your body's got a plan to handle that too. Balance is key, after all. With a little help from other hormones like natriuretic peptides, your body says, time to lighten the load, folks. It's like your body is constantly tuning a musical instrument, keeping everything in harmony. So, how do you feel now? Want to support this balance? A healthy diet and regular exercise are your best friends. Think of it as a daily self-care routine. Imagine your sodium intake is like picking your favorite toppings. Choose wisely for that ideal balance, hold the excess salt. Fruits and veggies are your power-ups for fluid balance. They help your kidneys work smarter, not harder. Game on! And don't forget stress management. A relaxed mind keeps blood pressure in check, making mineralocorticoids' job a breeze. So, remember, mineralocorticoids are essential, but it's a team effort. Together, they ensure your body works at its best. With balance in your blood pressure and fluid levels, life's vibrant. Go out there and embrace every moment. Want to learn more about keeping your body in top shape? Like, share, and follow for more health revelations.